pretend we're dancing in the street. In Barcelona, las Ramblas, I'll meet you, we'll dance around La Sagrada Familia. Drinking sangria, mi niña, te amo, Macarena. Mamacita, rica, sí, te adoro, señorita. Nosotros, vive la vida, come on, let's be free in Barcelona, las Ramblas.
Okay, so this combo starts with a paddle and roll on the right foot, but it's in 16th notes. So you go 1 and pause on 2. Yeah, from there you go ball change, E and. So from there you're gonna do a shuffle, heel, step, heel. So you have from here you speed up and you go big brush, heel, shuffle, switch, big. Yeah? And that's in a double time triplet. So you've got 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4, 5. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, right? We can't really give E and us because it's a double time triplet, but da 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 da, right? So from there, that is the beginning of the paradiddle on the left.